What's up everybody? 3-Minute Friday. Short videos like this, maximum information in the shortest amount of time. Let's get this done. Today we talk about, did you do your warm-up? Archery, sport, martial art means you always do your warm-ups, please. How do we do it? So we always start first. Put your hands together, elbows touch, and then simply gently roll your bones without tension. Roll your wrists 10 times in one direction, 10 times in the other direction. Shoulders, either you roll them like this. What you can do here is when you raise your shoulders, lift your heels and then fall on the ground with them. Up and down. And relax your whole body while you go down and breathe out. Inhale. Or what I prefer is you roll them like this 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10, and then the other direction. And you rotate them, see, while you move your waist. You see my waist is rotating. The arm hangs there completely loose. No tension in my arm. Hangs like a noodle. And of course always both sides, see? Movement comes from my waist. And the arm is completely relaxed. You only open up this big energy gate there. Then you should warm up your neck muscles. You can do it either like this, that you simply look in both directions, warm up your neck. Don't do it tensely. Simply imagine you draw half a circle with your nose. Simply focus on your nose. Your muscles will do the rest. Then you're already good to go. You can shake it out if you want. Helps too. When you want to do a little more, because it involves the whole upper body, you rotate your waist a little. Arms up, and then you simply let the arms fall down and swing to the other side. You see my arms are completely without any tension, and I use the momentum of the arms to rotate my waist. In this way I'm completely relaxed and my whole upper back is working out and getting loose, opening up its energy ports like this. See, and then you simply swing out until there is no motion, no movement left. You start with the next one, feet shoulder width apart again, always horse stance. And then you do this, look. Movement comes out of my waist. The arms are completely loose. There is no tension in my arms. You see that? And with the momentum, they simply slap against your body. This is how you open up the lower back and the pelvis and everything down there. And if you want to do your neck massage, you simply keep your head straight and do this movement, and you will feel here really a lot of stretching and massaging going on. See that? It's easy. So warm up for me is without any tension, simply loosening up all your joints. And in this way you loosen up all your spine vertebrae and you loosen up all the spine muscles, because you sit in the office on your computer and you don't want to shoot, and then not only your shoulders, everything is hurting. And once you do a wrong movement and you hurt your tendons and ligaments, you're off for a few weeks. You can't practice anymore. Would be sad, right? And your body will say thank you. And I say thank you now. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.